Dear Diary, recently I asked the question for myself, what do you expect to see in 2021? The obvious answer was the COVID vaccine. So this video is a process of thinking, what if really this COVID vaccine comes into existence? What will be the scenario? What will be the situations? What will be the problems we would face? So by the thought of COVID vaccine, we all think that everything will be okay, but actually we are wrong. Everything will not be okay. Yes, everything will not be okay. To understand this, you need to have a bit of imagination power. So let's start. I will start explaining now. So just the thought of COVID vaccine says that there will be no more problems, no more virus, no more deaths. But if you think in that way, as soon as you hear the sound of this vaccine came into existence, you will stop taking care for yourself, and it can affect you, because to have vaccine it takes times. To give all the world it takes some time, but you stop caring yourself, so it's a problem. So the another problem is there are many people who don't know about the vaccine. They don't have the knowledge about the vaccine, and there are also many illiterates in this world. So when you don't have the idea about the vaccine, it's a really big problem, because some of me just overthink and take the vaccine twice or thrice. Yeah, it may happen. It's a problem as well, and maybe some of us get discriminated, and maybe we don't get vaccine. But COVID don't see all those things. Virus don't see all those things. They don't discriminate. They don't know anything, and it will spread again. So it's another problem, right? And if you remember the case of polio vaccine, yes, the polio vaccine. In that case, there were many rumors being spread by many people, by communication and by also online. So if this happens with COVID vaccine as well, people will be in a dilemma to take the vaccine or not. Then everything will not be okay if this is the case. If you think more about this, you will find that there is no lack of problems. There is abundant of problems about this COVID vaccine. So we all hope, we all expect to see the vaccine in 2020. But even we get vaccine, everything will not be okay. It will be okay if the problems are given a solutions. Yes, all these problems should be given some solutions. The rumors should be stopped spreading, and if these all problems have a solution, then I am sure that everything will be okay. But it takes some time. Till the time comes, we all need to be safe. We all need to take the measures to be safe against the COVID-19. And most of us think our mask has a handcuffs which stop us to fight against the virus. Don't think in that way. Our masks are not our handcuffs. They don't stop us to fight against virus. I don't know, most of us don't know even how to wear masks till now. So don't neglect it. It's very important in this time. Don't feel the mask as your handcuffs. Feel them as your shields, as your protectors against this COVID-19. So I want to say, be safe, be happy. I know it is not an easy task, but it's a worthy task.